Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the 2006 to 2009 LX platform Chargers, also the Challengers, Magnums, and anything else that's a little bit more modern. I know it's not the same LX platform, but these Chargers, Challengers, and Magnums 300s all plagued with the same issue, the spray foam that's inside the frame rails and rocker panel. Now I know it's for structural strength, but anytime you live up northeast or anywhere that actually sprays salt on the roads or has areas that can trap debris in these areas like off-roads, dirt roads, unpaved roads, all that is your enemy with this style car. There's a pocket underneath where your frame rails are that pretty much absorb all of the moisture and rot it out. You can see in all the other platforms, you could see that they have the same issues because of the spray foam. I did hear that the Demons come with no spray foam in there, so that way they have less weight, but as you can see here, it weighs 13 pounds. And that's a lot of weight in just foam. As you know, foam basically has no weight per square foot, so you can imagine how much spray foam has to be put inside of these rails to adhere and make sure they're fully filled. 13 pounds of it, I think that's a little excessive. I do know that this is for structural. In my opinion, I would use thicker steel and also made a way that there's some crash zones and stuff in there. I know that that's out of my element for the engineers, but they should know that the foam and stuff like that is a natural enemy for these cars. Alright, this is just a quick little warning video. Remember to like and subscribe for more. Don't forget to find my merch on my website and my eBay page.